a big tree and a museum. Once upon a time, there lived a poor daughter and an old woman. My daughter lost her parents when she was young, and she worked at Chodge's house from early in the morning until late at night, had dinner there every night, and took the rest back to her grandmother. One rainy day, on her way home, she took shelter from the rain under a big tree, and the tree whispered to her, "Your daughter is a very hard worker. Listen carefully. 3 days later, I was killed by a woodcrowner by the order of the Lord, and 3 months later I became a big ship and was transported to the sea. Well, poor thing. But when I'm in the sea, I never move. A lot of people will be in trouble, so you go out and say, 'Ship, move. Ike, ni, san say it. I'm going out to the sea slowly. You will get a lot of rewards from the Lord,' the tree said. The big tree was really broken 3 days later, and 3 months later it became a big ship. It was the day when the ship was put into the sea, and a lot of people tried to get the ship out of the sea, but no matter how hard it was, no matter how many people pushed it, the ship did not jump, so the Lord touched it. I will reward those who push the ship to the sea, and when my daughter offered, everyone laughed and said this. You can move the ship. Even a lot of men don't move. Anyone is fine as if the ship moves, the Lord said. While a lot of people were watching, her daughter stood at the end of the ship and said loudly, "Ship, move. Ike, ni, san." I said. What? The ship started to move little by little and floated on the sea, didn't it? What a strange daughter. Everyone, including the Lord, raised their voices. I'm never surprised. The tree just said, my daughter said quietly. As promised, let's get the reward. What do you want? Don't hesitate to say it. I have a 60-year-old grandmother at home. I'm poor and I don't have money to buy rice or kimono. I see, and the Lord. The next day, the Lord sent a lot of rice and kimono to his daughter's house, and then his daughter lived happily with her grandmother. The end.